Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes. Under this P block elements, today we are going to discuss the anomalous properties of boron and uses of boron and aluminum. First of all, we are going to discuss the anomalous property of boron. Boron is markedly different from the group 13 elements as we comparing with other 13 elements. The rest of the family members, this boron is entirely differ because of the following reasons. First of all, this boron is very small and the ionic size is very small when comparing with the other elements, very small size. The second one is absence of d orbitals in the valence shell. Boron atomic number 5, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So first point, very small and absence of d orbital. There will be no d orbital present in the boron. This is one of the abnormal nature or abnormal behavior of rest of the family members. And some of the properties in which boron differ from other elements and it resemblance with the properties of aluminum. So some properties are especially it resemblance with some properties resemblance with aluminum, but entirely other properties are differ. So first of all, boron being smaller and is harder than other elements. First I told you it is smaller in size and absence of d orbital, and it is small and harder than other group elements, and it has high melting and boiling point than other members of the group. High melting and boiling point. Second property, high melting point and boiling point. Third, boron forms only covalent compounds while all other elements form of this group ionic as well as covalent in nature. Boron forms only covalent compounds. For example, boron trifluoride is covalent in nature while comparing the aluminum trichloride. Aluminum trichloride depends upon the nature of the medium. It exists as both ionic as well as covalent in nature. The oxides and hydroxides are boron are weakly acidic in nature. I already told you the first element, the boron form oxides and the hydroxide are acidic in nature. All others may be acidic as well as basic in nature. The oxides of aluminum, hydroxides of aluminum are behave as acidic as well as basic because it is amphoteric in nature. And the trihalides of group number 13 are covalent in nature and hydrolysis by water. Boron trihalides form only tetrahedral species and other trihalides form octahedral species. The trihalides of borons are monomeric in nature, but the other trihalides are dimers. Most of the other dihalides are exist as dimeric in nature. So these are the some of the points entirely differ from rest of the family members. There is anomalous behavior of boron. And now the uses of boron and aluminum compounds. Boron is used as semiconductor for making electronic devices. It is used in steel industry for increasing hardness of steel. Its compounds such as borax and boric acids are used in glass industry for making heat resistant glass such as Pyrex glass, glass wool and fiber glass. Borax is also used as a flux for soldering metals for heat, scratch and strain resistant glass coating to earthwares. Boron fibers are used in making bulletproof vest and light composite material for aircrafts. Metal borides are used in atomic reactors as protective shields and control rods because of its high tendency of boron 10 isotope to neutrons. And these compounds are useful in cancer chemotherapy. Boron compounds are finding uses as rocket fuels because of their high energy mass ratio. Boron is essential elements in plant metabolism. Uses of aluminium. Aluminium is a light, soft and non-toxic, corrosion resistant, and therefore it is used as aircraft, ships, cars and heat exchangers. It is also used for making electric power cables. Aluminium foil is used for packing chocolates, cigarettes, food items, etc. Aluminium is used for making cans for drinks, base, dairy products and containers for chemicals and toothpaste tubes. Aluminium is used in making refractory bricks and ultramarines and alums used in dyeing and paints. Many of the mechanical properties of pure aluminium are greatly improved by alloying with copper, manganese, tin, nickel, magnesium, zinc, etc. So, aluminium forms many alloys, especially aluminium bronze, magnalumine, duralumin and alnico. It has variety of properties and important usage in industrial and manufacturing process. So, I hope all this understood each and every people. If you have any doubts, you may ask. Thank you.